Friends, hello everyone. Today we will do a set of exercises that will help with headaches when you feel a headache or dizziness to help get rid of it. So you can do the exercises together with me in real time. For today's exercises, I will need a resistance band. It can be any kind of band that you will use for the exercises. We will start by warming up the neck muscles. I place the band behind my head. I keep my head straight. My back is straight. I will move my head backward toward the back of my head. I do it once and return. Exhale, return. My task is to press back under the chin and return. At the same time, my shoulders and back remain unchanged, in position. Good. After you finish this exercise, it's important that these muscles are warmed up, the shoulders and shoulder blades are brought together and lowered. We can stretch ourselves further. I lower my head down, use my hand to guide it, exhale, and hold this position. Hold like this for about 10 seconds. Next, I turn my head under the chin to the opposite side, stretching with my hand. You should feel a stretch along the back of your neck. I exhale. All neck exercises are performed calmly without jerks. Inhale, change position, my head goes down. And I move, I help pull myself down. Okay, and again with both hands forward. Inhale. And I begin to open the chest. I take a breath, rounded. I straighten up as much as possible and exhale. Inhale. I twist in the chest, directing my neck in the same direction. Inhale. Take a deep breath in and fill your lungs. Inhale. And another breath. And exhale. Good. It's important when we work with head pain to work with the neck muscles and the shoulder blade muscles because often our neck is overstrained and this happens compensatorily because our thoracic area is not working enough. Thoracic area. Now I'll show a couple of exercises that will warm up the shoulder blades and help relieve the strain from the neck muscles. I start by warming up the area between the shoulder blades. I bring my hands in front of me, sit in this position, lower my shoulders, first move my elbows to the sides, bring the shoulder blades together and lift up. Return and straighten. My head is slightly pulled back. Bring the shoulder blades together, raise the arms. Return, straighten. Slowly exhale your breath and return to center. Move to the sides and then back. Exhale. And 3 more like this. 2. And the last time, bring the shoulder blades together, hands behind the head and straighten. Good. We combine strength training for the muscles with stretching. After this, I bring my arms forward and move one arm in front of me and stretch the shoulder blade well. In this position, I brought my arm across. Sit like this, breathe for 5 to 10 seconds. Move the other arm forward and across. Pull with the other hand. Good. After this, we can repeat our exercises with a rounded back and opening up because in this way we engage the entire part of the spine and stretch all the back extensor muscles. And next, we will now stretch the upper trapezius. From this position, I tilt my head to the side and press it down with my hand. My hand on this side moves away. I turn my palm upward and give myself a moment to pause and stretch. I inhale, and on the exhale, I stretch in different directions. With my head, I try to reach my shoulder with my ear using my hand. At this moment, my palm is facing upward and I lower it all the way down. I hold for 10 to 15 seconds. I inhale, and on the exhale, I stretch. And now as I inhale and stretch, I lower my head down and then reach my arm in the opposite direction. Good, change position. The head also goes to the side. The ear reaches toward the shoulder, pull with your hand, the wrist faces outward, exhale. Inhale deeply, and then exhale slowly again. We do this exercise, 5 repetitions, exhale. And after this, we lower the head down and also hold it. Exhale very slowly. Exhale deeply and fully. And now we do it one last time. Just exhale completely and relax. Good. Now we'll do a couple of exercises for the muscles between the shoulder blades. I lie down on my stomach. My forehead will rest on the mat, and I perform the exercises by lifting my arms and activating the muscles between my shoulder blades. I press my forehead down, arms to the sides, lift my arms up, shoulder blades together. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Exhale. I should feel the muscles between my shoulder blades working. One more. Good. After this, we can take a rest. Next, we will, of course, warm up the neck extensor and stabilizer muscles. My position remains the same. But the task will be to lift the head up. I lift up and return, exhale. Exhale, return, inhale. At the same time, I don't throw my head back or arch my thoracic spine. I simply move it back. Exhale. Inhale. It's important to activate our neck muscles that keep the neck in its usual protracted position. We need to retract them, activate them to return the neck to its original position. And in this way, get rid of headaches. Good. Friends, do these exercises regularly to get rid of headaches. Our neck muscles need to be active, they need to be strong. The chest should be mobile. And in this way, we will get rid of the pain. Friends, if you need professional help, please contact us for a consultation at our center. All the information is in the profile cabinet. We are present in centers across Ukraine, as well as in Warsaw and Dubai. And we invite you to a consultation with a specialist